Hello and welcome. Let's just jump right in here. Little button under measure and report. You're looking for where it says pixels. What you'll then want to do is click on where it says pixels. So you'll want to copy that to your clipboard. The next step that you'll want to do and log into your cPanel. And once you're in your cPanel, click on File Manager. But remember, any change before you make a change, download or at least remember what you did in case you have to go back, but I'm going to show you how to implement this properly. So you'll want to click on File Manager. Now, once you're inside the File Manager of your cPanel, what you are looking for is going to be the public HTML. Now, you could do it over here or you could do it here, but we could double click. Once the public HTML loads, this is what's going to show up. What you're looking for is WP content. Once that loads, you're looking for themes. So you'll double click on themes. When you're inside your themes, it'll show up whatever themes that you have installed, but click on the theme that you are currently using. Double click. Once inside, you are looking for where it says header.php. As you can see, you'll right click and click edit, as you can see here. Now this is where you will want to put it. You'll see the top of the head and the bottom of the head. What you'll want to do is right before the header tag is where you'll want to place your pixel code. So mine's on line 7. We will click enter, go to line 7. We already have a copy to the clipboard. Hit paste. It will put in the code. Now this is where you might want to make a backup or before this part, but this is how you implement this very safely. If you're not comfortable doing this and you're not afraid of bloat and slowdown on your website, you can install another plugin. Or depending on your theme, right? A lot of themes or plugins or builders have this option, but I'm showing you how to do it properly, how you can just go and implement it right away. So you'll click Save Changes. So after you have installed it, you will see here on your overview, before you set up your events, it will say status. Make sure that this is green, active, waiting for the first event. All right, so after that is all set up, this is one of the most important, crucial pieces, is connecting the ad account and the people to the pixel. Now, the people and the ad account, these are all separate entities that need to be connected to that specific pixel. So let's go ahead and show you how this is done. You'll go up to the top left-hand corner, and what you're looking for settings, click on business settings. This is where you're going to integrate the pixel, the account, and the ad account all together. Is head over here to the left-hand side, data sources. Click on it, and then you'll see a group of drop downs. Click on where it says pixels, and then you need to add people, and you need to add an ad account. So how you do that is up right here, add people. You could give them rights to just view it or admin rights. And then after you assign the people or the person to the pixel, the very next step is you have to associate an ad account with the pixel. Very important. So how you would do that is add assets. I'm not showing my actual accounts, but what you would do is you would add an ad account. It would be the same process as before. It would show up here. You would add that ad account to the pixel. So that's going to wrap up how to integrate the pixel with your WordPress website Facebook ad tutorial for 2020. I hope to see you in the next video and have a wonderful day.